Can you charge your Tesla at non-Tesla charging stations? Absolutely. This video guides you through using third-party public chargers, both AC Level 2 and DC fast charging. We'll cover everything from adapters and finding stations to payment and essential tips, ensuring a smooth charging experience on the go. Electric vehicle charging comes in two main types, AC and DC. AC charging is slower and better for overnight or extended stops, while DC charging provides rapid charging for quick top-ups. For AC charging, Tesla vehicles use a standard J1772 adapter, which is usually included with most models. For DC fast charging at third-party stations, you'll need a CCS Combo 2 adapter, which bridges Tesla's proprietary port to the CCS plugs used by most networks. Make sure to select the correct adapter for DC fast charging to ensure compatibility with third-party stations. Before charging your Tesla at third-party stations, ensure you have the necessary CCS adapter for DC fast charging. This adapter allows your Tesla to connect to industry-standard CCS charging plugs found at most public stations. Next, update your Tesla's firmware through the Tesla app to ensure optimal compatibility with third-party charging networks. Firmware updates improve integration and prevent potential connection issues. With the latest firmware, your Tesla's navigation system integrates third-party charging networks, giving you access to charge point locations with real-time compatibility data, availability, and pricing information. To locate compatible charging stations, start with your Tesla's built-in navigation system. The infotainment screen provides a seamless way to find stations along your route. The Tesla app is another excellent tool for locating stations. It integrates with third-party networks, showing real-time availability, pricing, and charging speeds directly on your phone. For comprehensive coverage, use third-party apps like PlugShare or ChargePoint. These apps show stations from multiple networks and allow you to filter specifically for compatible connectors. When searching, always filter for the right connectors. Use CCS for DC fast charging with your adapter, or J1772 for AC Level 2 charging. This ensures compatibility with your Tesla. Before heading to a station, check real-time availability to avoid disappointment, compare pricing, which can vary significantly, and review charging speeds to match your needs and schedule. Remember, Tesla's app now integrates seamlessly with these third-party networks, making it easier than ever to plan your charging stops and ensure a smooth journey. For AC charging at third-party stations, start by parking your Tesla near the charging station. Unlock the charge port using your Tesla's touchscreen or key fob. Attach the J1772 adapter to your Tesla's charge port. Connect the station's cable to the adapter. Follow the on-screen instructions at the charging station to start the session. For DC fast charging, attach the CCS adapter to your Tesla's charge port. Then plug into the CCS station's cable. Follow the on-screen instructions at the charging station or in the Charging Networks app to start the session. The vehicle will authenticate via the app or RFID. Once charging begins, monitor the progress through your Tesla's touchscreen interface. The display shows the charging rate in kilowatts, the amount of energy added in kilowatt hours, and the current battery level as a percentage. This allows you to track how much range you've gained and estimate completion time. For payment, most third-party stations accept credit or debit cards directly at the terminal. Many also support RFID cards that you can tap for quick payment. Some networks like EVgo or ChargePoint require their app for authentication and billing. Rates vary widely, often between 25 cents and 50 cents per kilowatt hour, which can be higher than Tesla's supercharger pricing. Always check the specific station's costs in advance through the network's app. Once charging is complete, stop the charging session through the station's touchscreen interface or your charging app. Next, safely disconnect the charging cable from your Tesla's charging port. For DC fast charging, if the CCS adapter remains locked in the port, unplug it gently and reinsert it to release. Ensure you've paid any applicable fees through the station's payment system or your app before leaving. If your Tesla remains idle after charging, it may require a wake-up procedure. Check your Tesla app for instructions on how to wake the vehicle. Always verify station compatibility before plugging in. Check that the station supports your Tesla model and the required adapter type. Charging speeds depend on your Tesla model and the station's power output. Model 3 and Model Y can reach up to 250 kilowatts at compatible DC fast chargers. Common issues include adapter malfunctions or software glitches. If charging fails, check adapter connections and ensure your Tesla's firmware is updated. Keep your Tesla's firmware updated through the software menu to ensure compatibility with third-party stations and fix any known issues. The future of charging is heading towards universal standards and higher charging speeds. CCS is becoming the global standard, with speeds potentially reaching 500 kilowatts or more. Expect Tesla to adopt CCS natively in future models, reducing the need for adapters and improving compatibility with third-party stations. As of 2025, over 80% of Tesla superchargers in Europe are open to non-Tesla EVs, with the US rollout reaching about 50% of sites. This improves interoperability across the industry.